Yes, good evening, student. Today again we are going to discuss the endocrine system. Yesterday we discussed about the pituitary gland, and today we are going to discuss about the thyroid gland. Okay, this is the thyroid gland shown here, and it's a butterfly-shaped gland. Its location is it lies on the ventral and lateral side of the trachea, just below the larynx in the neck. Okay, so it is just below the larynx. Here is the larynx. It's just below the larynx of the neck, and it is a butterfly shaped gland. And the hormone are secreted by the thyroid gland are mainly two hormones. It secretes mainly two hormones. So one is the thyroxine hormone, other is the calcitonin hormone. So calcitonin is not in our syllabus, so we are going to discuss about the thyroxine hormone and its functions. Okay, those thyroxine hormone is secreted by the thyroid gland. Basically, it controls the basal metabolic rate and also control the cell respiration, production of energy, and maintain the body temperature. Okay, so it is the it control the basal metabolic rate of the body. Okay, and production of energy, control the maintain the body temperature also. The effects of hyposecretion of thyroxine hormone. Hypo means under secretion. Okay, if the hormone is secreted in the less amount than the required quantity, so that condition is called the hyposecretion of the thyroxine. Then there is a disease which is called the cretinism. Due to the undersecretion of the thyroxine hormone, it in the children leads to the cretinism. So this cretinism is in the due to the hypersecretion of the thyroxine hormone. It comes in the children. Characteristics: dwarfism, retarded growth, mental retardation, okay, in the children. Then poor development of the body parts. So they all are the main characters that are due to the basically hyposecretion, less secretion of the thyroxine hormone. And another disease is called the myxedema. There is one more disease that is the myxedema, but it is in the case of adult due to the hyposecretion. It is also called the Gall's disease. Okay, in this case, facial. This is here the facial tissue and the hands swell and looks puffy due to the edema. Okay, accumulation of fluid in this case, so swelling appear on the body parts, basically facial and on the hand tissues. Okay, so next one is the simple goiter. Here is the simple goiter. So this is due to the iodine deficiency actually. Due to the deficiency of iodine in the food leads to the enlargement of the thyroid gland. Basically this thyroid gland swell up and become enlarged. Okay, here is the swellingness of the in the gland. So this leads to the uh, goiter basically. Okay, characteristic swelling in the thyroid in the neck region. Bulb like structure appear in the neck region, so this is called the goiter. And these all the three diseases, cretinism, myxedema, and the goiter, they are the hyposecretion of the thyroxine hormone, under secretion, less secretion of the thyroxine hormone. Okay, and another is the disease due to the hypersecretion of thyroxine hormone. Hyper means the over secretion. If the hormone is secreted more in a more quantity than the required, then again it create a side effect in the body. So it leads to the another disease that is called the exophthalmic goiter. It is also called Graves disease. Due to the over secretion, it leads to the Graves disease or exophthalmic goiter. In this case, the characteristics, that is the increase in heartbeat, increase in the metabolism, increase in appetite, loss of weight, increased nervous irritability and shortness of the breath, restlessness, and protruding eyeballs. So these all are the character of the thyroxine hormone if it is secreted in the hyper uh, secretion, and it leads to the Graves' disease, and this is another type of exophthalmic goiter. And if the hyposecretion is there, then is the simple goiter. Okay, in which there is the enlargement of the gland, but this is the due to the over secretion. This is the exophthalmic goiter is here, in which the waistlet, the person become very thin. Okay, and due to that restlessness happen in the body, and irritability, heartbeat, increased heartbeat, increased breathe. These all are the character of the thyroxine hormone.